team will be doing the testing, flow test, to indicate a good flow test and water test. We can see the liquid is being dispersed. Let me show you another way. From this angle, okay, over here we can see better. So this is at a very low and mild pressure, not a very high pressure. In fact, we're not even using any machine, just using direct from the pipe, and that itself it's a partner. Okay, so now our team will be digging the soil to bring the pipes underneath the soil level. So all our pipes will be concealed underneath the soil and sand, and thereafter we will inform the house owners and the contractors. So now we see that the system is already covered underneath the soil and the sand. So this is how the termite liquid will start spreading, and the soil or the sand will become drenched with the chemical. And for this we will have a specific injection point or injection box to so that in future there will be an easy maintenance point to inject the chemical to cover this zone and this region.
Chemical spreads underneath building to protect against termites.